is saying. He's being forced to give up his power and to pass the crown prince title to his younger cousin, a guy who's almost half his age. This is Mohammed bin Salman. In the West, we just call him MBS. And since this moment in June, he's consolidated power so swiftly and so thoroughly that in Saudi Arabia, they just know him as Mr. Everything.
11 princes and nearly 40 current or former officials detained, reportedly being held at the lavish Ritz-Carlton.
Yes, if you're a Saudi prince, jail is the Ritz-Carlton. MBS called this a corruption crackdown, and he branded himself as the financially responsible anti-corruption leader. Coming into power, MBS's second big move was to loosen the strict moral and social rules of the kingdom. He stripped the religious police of their right to make arrests. He expanded women's rights in society, including giving them the right to drive. On the surface, these are progressive social reforms meant to modernize Saudi society. But like the anti-corruption crackdowns, the move is another effort to seize power. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is on the brink of one of the biggest transformations in its history. As this young leader consolidates power to upend the status quo, he may also upend the pillars that have kept the kingdom one of the most stable countries in the Middle East.
Salman became the Saudi crown prince in June 2017, he arrested Sheikh Saleh Al Talib, a prominent imam and preacher at the Grand Mosque in Mecca. According to reports, the arrest came after Talib delivered a sermon on the duty in Islam to speak out against evil in public. During the address, he also challenged mixed public gatherings of men and women. There was no direct criticism of the Saudi royal family in his speech. Abdulaziz Al Fawzan was arrested in July after he spoke out against the arrests of other religious leaders in the country. Fawzan, a professor of comparative religious law at Saudi Higher Institute of Justice, had been arrested over a tweet in which he had expressed his opinion against the suppression of sheikhs and preachers. Safar al-Hawali, a prominent critic of American influence in Saudi Arabia, was detained in July also. Ali al-Umari is a famous Saudi public figure and cleric whose TV shows have called for more rights for women and campaigned against violent extremism. Saudi Arabia's public prosecutor has called for him to be sentenced to death during a secret trial. Prosecutors have also called for cleric Awad al-Qarni to be sentenced to death, as well as Salman al-Odha. Al-Umari, Qarni and Odha were arrested back in September 2017 because they did not back bin Salman's policy towards neighboring Qatar.
According to Turkey's pro-government Sabah Daily, Saudi Arabia sent an 11-member cover-up team to Istanbul on October 11, 9 days after Jamal Khashoggi vanished. The murder of the Saudi royal insider turned critic inside Saudi Arabia's consulate in Istanbul has provoked widespread international outrage. Turkish authorities have released gruesome details of a killing that President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has said was a targeted hit. While Riyadh officials have admitted the murder was planned, they have so far declined to release details of the whereabouts of the 59-year-old journalist's missing body.
I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares, every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough, you're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal, yeah. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I stay in bed for the day, yeah. I think about where you lay, yeah, and the nights that we stay, yeah. All the things that you say to me, all the times that you come over to stay with me, all the problems that you said feeling down and I'm out. I think about the words out your mouth. You always said that we'd be okay, that we could make it another day. Well, tell me, baby, how'd that work out? I feel like I lost you in a crowd, and now I never hear from you now. I feel like we just let ourselves down. You used to call my place home, 'cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want.
Ready for the best? Said, are you ready for the best? Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, yo, give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, 'cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, 'cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Light this shit up.
Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted.
Full brother of King Salman has reportedly returned to the kingdom. This as international backlash grows over the murder of journalist Jamal Khashoggi. Well, some analysts are calling the return of Ahmed bin Abdulaziz a potential challenge to the Crown Prince. One of the most senior members of the royal family, Abdulaziz, is said to have agreed to travel back only after receiving security assurances from the US and UK officials. Media reports cite sources close to the Saudi royal family who say that Abdulaziz had been afraid to return after publicly challenging bin Salman on several occasions.
If I stay, will you stay? If I go, will you go? If I pay, will you play? Do you know what I know? Do you love, do you hate? Do you care what I say? Is it all just the same? Always make these mistakes. Ooh, baby, take me, play me. All I wanna do is please. Wanna spread like a disease. Ooh, crazy, tasty, baby. I just wanna feel you breathe. I just wanna feel your needs, yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. If you wanna stay, baby girl, don't go.